This video is D11 and it's going to help you with finding out what's the important part. Because sometimes when I'm doing a story problem, I want my answer to be the quotient. Sometimes I need the quotient plus one, like if you're taking people on a trip someplace and you want to know how many vans, buses, cars you need. Sometimes the remainder is the important part because I want to know how many are left over or how many more I need to complete a set. So here's our first problem. Dave can put 10 books in a box. He has 178 books. How many full boxes will he have? Notice, this is what I'm looking for, full boxes. So I'm going to take 178 divided by 10. No 10s in 1. 10 in 17. Whoa, 7 10s in 78, which 10 times 7 would be 70. And I got an 8 left over. 17 remainder 8. So look what the question is asking me, because I can't just leave my answer at 17 remainder 8 because I will mark it wrong. How many full boxes will he have? Well, this 8 means he's got 8 books left that are not in a box. The 17 is the number of full boxes he has. If he had 2 more books, he would need 18. Oh yeah, that makes sense, because 18 times 10 would be 180. Try this one out. We still got some books. We got different size boxes. Max can put 12 books in a box. He has 175 books. How many leftover books will he have? So I'm starting the same way with 175 divided by 12. How many 12s in 17? 1. I have 5 left over. Bring down my 5. How many 12s in 55? Well, let's see. 12 plus 12. 24, that's 2. 12 more is 36, that's 3. 12 more, that's 48, that's 4. 12 more would be 60 for 5. Well, that's too much. So 4 of them would be 48. When I subtract, I got a 7, so 14, remainder 7. Remember what the question asked, how many leftover books? Another word for leftovers is remainder. So he's got 7 books that are left over because they're not in a box. Maybe I should say they're not in a full box like the other 14 boxes full. Shirley can put 11 books in her boxes. She has 200 books. How many boxes does she need in all? How many boxes does she need in all? That's kind of interesting because in all usually means we're adding stuff, but not in this particular case. So 200 divided by 11. No 11s in 2. 1 11 and 20. When I subtract, I got a 9. Bring down my 0. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88. 8 of them. So I've got 18 remainder 2. How many boxes does she need in all? Well, she's got 18 full ones, but then she's got these 2 extra books. So really she needs 19 boxes. This is one of those weird ones where it's asking you like, and it knows that some of the boxes are not going to be full. But I doubt very seriously if you were Shirley and like let's say you were moving from one place to another one and you had your 200 books, favorite books you wanted to move, you wouldn't put 18 boxes that had 11 each and then say, oh, I got 2 books that won't fit. Let me just throw them away. No, you would need another box, even though that box would not be full. 11 kids can fit in a van. 62 kids are going on the trip. How many vans do they need for everyone to go on the trip? Alright, so I'm taking 62 divided by 11. And we got how many 11s and 62? 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. 5 of them. And when I subtract, so 5 remainder 7. How many vans do they need for everyone to go? Well, if you only get 5 vans, you got these 7 people right here who are just standing on the side of the road and they don't get to go on the trip. So we need 1 more van, so that's going to get us to 6 vans. This happens to be a quotient plus 1 problem. 11 kids can fit in a van. 58 kids are going on the trip. How many vans will be full? So many 11s and 58, which would be 5. 5 times 11 is 55. So we got 5 remainder 3. How many of the bands will be full? Those are full because his other band only has 3 people in it. So 5 full bands. Greta has 130 monster cards. 9 cards fit in one of those sheet protectors. How many sheets does she need in all? Okay, so 130 divided by 9. There are no 9s in 1. 9s in 13 would be 1. Subtract, I got 4 left over. Bring down my 0. How many 9s in 40? 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2, 18. Times 3, 27. Times 4, 36. Times 5, 45. Too much. So 9 times 4 is 36. When I subtract, I got a remainder of 4. How many sheets does she need in all? So she's going to have 14 full sheets, and then she's got 4 more cards. So she needs 15 sheets. Again, if those were your cards, you're not just going to throw away these last 4 cards right here. You're going to go get another sheet protector, even though it won't be full yet. Greta has 150 football cards. 9 cards fit in a sheet protector. How many cards in the sheet that is not full? Oh, so they're already giving us a clue that one of the sheets is not going to be full. How many 9s in 150? How many 9s in 15? It's going one time. 6 for a remainder. How many 9s in 60? Let's see, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63. Too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 9 is 54. I subtract, I got a 6. 16 remainder 6. How many cards are in the sheet that is not full? Well, these are all full. So this would be my ones that's not full. 6 cards. And one more to go. It takes 14 minutes to make a pizza. How many pizzas can you make in 2 hours? Sounds fair enough. Except there's one tricky part in there. This is in minutes, and this is in hours. So if I could get them both in the same units, it would help. So 2 hours. I know there's 60 hours in a minute. Blah, blah, blah. Let me try saying that again. There's 60 minutes in an hour. And if I got 2 of those hours, 60 plus 60 is 120. Oh, so this is really 120 minutes. Now the problem looks a lot easier. How many 14-minute pizzas can I get made in 120 minutes? Well, no 14s in 1. No 14s in 12. That's interesting. We haven't had that happen for a while. How many 14s in 120? Well, we're going to have to do some adding over here. 14 and 14 is 28. That's 2. 42 for 3. Keep going. 56 is 4. Keep going. 70 for 5. Keep going. 84 for 6. Keep going. 98 for 7. Keep going. Just going to come over here. 98 plus 14 more. 112 for 8. Keep going. 126 for 9. Too much. So I want this one right here. 8 times 14 is 112. When I subtract, I get 8 left over. 8, remainder 8. How many pizzas can you make in 120 minutes? I can only make 8. This remainder 8 is 8 minutes that my last pizza's been being made. So it's not totally finished yet. So I would just have 8 pizzas.